Happy Thursday, boys and girls. We like our snacks today. Say, today we receive snacks to our P.O. box, and the note says, to all the dogs on the bus, thank you for bringing us joy every day. Shout out to Macaroni, who's not here today, Timber, and Lucy Lou. Love Omar and Jennifer from Norman, Oklahoma. Would we like our snacks? Zeppelin. Clutch. Vinny. Milo. Bear. Timber. Scout. Molly. Apollo. Apollo. Izzy. No, Izzy. Frankie. Oakley. Walker. Charlie. Lola. Gigi. Daisy. Ruger. Paris. Milo. Shiloh. Miss Lucy Lou has to have her chicken. Zeke only eats beef liver. And Ziggy.